Welcome to the web-based training on additional revenue streams. Let's explore additional revenue streams for your homestay. At the end of this course, you will be able to understand how to offer valuable add-on services for your homestay, explain how to unlock your space's potential, hosting small events or workshops at your homestay, and discuss how to partner with local businesses for commissions. While your core income comes from the guest bookings, a successful homestay owner in India can consider diversifying their income through additional revenue streams. This not only boosts your overall income but also potentially enhances the guest experience. This course consists of 3 modules. Let's get started with the first module, offering valuable add-on services for your homestay. While a comfortable space and warm hospitality are essential, successful homestays in India can elevate the guest experience further by offering add-on services. These services provide additional convenience, catering to diverse needs, and can potentially increase your income. Imagine your homestay as a stage. Your core offering is a comfortable stay, but add-on services act like additional props that enhances the performance and leaves a lasting impression on the audience, your guests. Offering valuable add-on services can enhance the guest experience and differentiate your homestay from your competitors. Following are some valuable add-on services to consider as a homestay owner. Meals. Breakfast. Offer a traditional Indian breakfast or cater to dietary preferences. Welcome meal. Provide a pre-prepared meal upon arrival, especially if the guests are arriving late. And dinner options. Partner with local restaurants or offer home-cooked meals for a unique culinary experience. Guided tours. Local sightseeing. Organize tours to historical sites, cultural landmarks, or hidden gems in your area. Nature expeditions. Collaborate with local guides for trekking, cycling, or wildlife viewing tours. And themed tours. Craft unique experiences based on local festivals, cultural events, or specific interests, for example, food tours, craft workshops. Airport transfers. Pre-arranged pickup and drop-off. Provide a hassle-free arrival and departure experience for guests, especially to those who are unfamiliar with the area. And partner with taxi services. Collaborate with reliable taxi companies to offer guests convenient transportation options at competitive rates. In an Indian homestay, offering additional services can greatly enhance the guest experience and make their stay even more memorable. Laundry services. Offer laundry services for a small fee, especially for guests staying for longer durations. Bicycle or scooter rentals. Provide convenient transportation options for guests to explore the surroundings at their own pace. And yoga or meditation sessions. Partner with local instructors to offer wellness activities for guests seeking a rejuvenating experience. The benefits of offering add-on services are that guests can enjoy a unique and unforgettable stay at your Indian homestay with a diverse range of additional services and experiences available to make their visit truly special and memorable. Increased revenue. Guests opting for additional services can contribute to a higher income stream for your homestay. Enhanced guest experience. Offering convenient services caters to diverse needs and creates a more memorable stay for your guests. Positive online reviews. Guests who appreciate the additional services might leave positive reviews online, attracting future guests. By providing valuable add-on services, you can transform your homestay into a one-stop solution for travelers, catering to their needs beyond just accommodation. This will not only boost your income, but also solidify your reputation as a guest-centric homestay owner who strives to provide a truly enriching experience. Moving on to the second module, we will discuss about unlocking your space's potential. Here's how to assess the feasibility of hosting events or workshops. Available space. Identify suitable areas in your homestay. This could be a common living room, a well-maintained outdoor space, or even a larger unused room. Local regulations. Research and comply with any local regulations or permits required for hosting events or gatherings in your area. And target audience. Identify the type of events or workshops that align with your homestay setting and your target clientele. By strategically utilizing your space, you can explore the possibility of hosting small events and workshops, potentially generating additional income and fostering a vibrant community atmosphere. Hosting small events or workshops at your homestay can be a great way to attract guests and enhance their experience. Imagine your homestay as a canvas. While the core purpose is to provide lodging, consider transforming specific areas into a platform for unique experiences. Hosting small events and workshops at your homestay, you can create unique and memorable experience for your guests while showcasing India's culture, heritage, and natural beauty. These events can also help you attract new guests and build a loyal customer base for your homestay business. Here are some ideas for events and workshops you can host at your homestay. Celebration. The guest can celebrate their special moments like birthdays, anniversaries, and promotions. Book clubs or discussion groups. Cater to individuals seeking a space for intellectual discussions and social interaction. Creative workshops. Host workshops on art, photography, music, or any other skill relevant to your region's cultural heritage. Yoga or meditation sessions. Offer a serene space for wellness activities conducted by certified instructors. And small business meetings or conferences. Provide a professional yet relaxed environment for small group meetings or presentations. Homestays are a great way to host small, intimate events. It is important to optimize your homestay for the event to ensure a successful outcome. This includes making sure you have enough seating and space for your guests, as well as providing adequate catering and entertainment. Following are a few examples. Invest in basic equipment. Folding chairs, tables, and projector screen can enhance the functionality of your event space. Create a dedicated space. If feasible, designate a specific area within your homestay solely for hosting events. And partner with local businesses. Collaborate with event organizers, instructors, or caterers to offer a well-rounded experience for participants. The following are additional considerations for optimizing your homestay for events. Marketing and promotion. Promote your event space through online platforms, social media, and local event listings. Pricing strategy. Set competitive pricing for your event space rental, considering factors like duration, amenities provided, and catering needs. And guest experience. Ensure the event or the workshop does not disrupt the comfort of your regular homestay guests. Homestays are not only affordable but can also provide a more unique experience. Homestays also offer a more personalized and comfortable atmosphere as well as access to local knowledge and expertise. Increased income. Event rentals can provide an additional revenue stream for your homestay business. Community building. Hosting events fosters connections with local businesses and individuals, creating a vibrant atmosphere around your homestay. And unique selling proposition. Offering event space can differentiate your homestay from competitors and attract guests seeking a more versatile experience. By carefully evaluating your space, understanding local regulations, and catering to specific niche, you can transform your homestay into a platform for unique experiences. This approach can not only boost your income but also position your homestay as a vibrant hub within the local community. In the module 3, we will discuss the importance of partnering with local businesses to earn commissions. As a homestay owner in India, you can unlock new revenue streams and enhance the guest experiences by forging strategic partnerships with local businesses. This collaborative approach allows you to earn commissions while providing valuable recommendations to your guests. Imagine your homestay as a central point. By connecting with local businesses, you can create a network that benefits both your guests and the local economy. Here's how to leverage partnerships for mutual benefits. Identify potential partners. Look for businesses that complement your homestay's offerings. This could include restaurants. Partner with local restaurants offering diverse cuisines or catering services. Activity providers. Collaborate with companies providing adventure tours, cultural experiences, or transportation services. And artisans and shops. Partner with local artisans showcasing their crafts or shops selling souvenirs and regional products. Approach potential partners. Discuss a mutually beneficial commission structure. You can either earn a fixed commission for each guest referral or a percentage of the total bill. Promote your partners. Display brochures, pamphlets, or business cards of your partner businesses in your homestay. Online presence. List your partners and their offerings on your website and social media channels. Partnering with local businesses helps ensure the homestay business's sustainability and encourages the local community to support the local economy further. It also helps create a sense of community and connection between the homestay owners and the local business owners. Increased income. Earn commissions for referring guests to your partner businesses. Enhanced guest experience. Provide guests with a wider range of options to explore and enjoy their stay. And support local businesses. Contribute to the growth of local economy by promoting local businesses. The following are the additional tips for partnering with local businesses. Build genuine relationships. Develop strong connections with your partner businesses. This fosters trust and strengthens the partnership. Ensure quality recommendations. Recommend only businesses that meet your standards and offer good value to your guests. And transparency is key. Inform guests about the commission-based nature of your partnerships and emphasize the quality of recommended services. Let's look at a few examples of commission structures. Fixed commission. You earn a set amount, for example 50 rupees, for every guest referred to a particular business. And percentage commission. You earn a specific percentage, for example 10%, of the total bill amount spent by your referred guests at a partner business. By establishing strategic partnerships with local businesses, you can create a win-win situation for everyone involved. You will earn additional income, your guests will have access to a wider range of options, and local businesses will benefit from increased exposure and potential customers. Thank you for watching this chapter. Let's meet in the next one.